Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at two 1969 Camaro project cars all the way down here in Bristol, Tennessee. The guy also says he has a bunch of other cars we can take a look at. You're not going to want to miss this. Now, I found these cars on Facebook Marketplace. They were only on there for about 15 minutes down here in Bristol, about 6 hours away from where I live in Pennsylvania. He said just go ahead and pull up the hill, and yep, right there. Right there they are up top up there. We'll pull in right here. We'll get out and check and see what these things look like. Oh, there's a guy up there. We'll go up and see what we can find. Now, these cars are pretty rough. They're not that expensive of 69 Camaros, but I kind of just wanted to see exactly what they looked like. And man, there's a 68 right here.
Hey, brother.
You must be Mike.
Yeah, that's me.
How are you?
Doing good. You Parker?
I'm Parker.
Nice to meet you.
Well, I see the other Camaros you told me about. Was this 68, 67?
67.
67?
Yeah, they're both 67.
Yeah, I see the 67 over there.
Yeah.
Now, is this your daily right here, or is this?
No, that's the car we got for sale.
Oh, this one's for sale too?
Yeah.
Okay, I didn't see this one on there. Must have been covered up.
Yeah.
Man, that's a really nice car.
Yeah, that's a beaut.
What can you tell me about these cars? I mean, have you had them a while, or?
Well, I bought a guy down in Cosby, Tennessee, had 15 of them for sale.
Okay.
And I ended up buying 15 of them, 67s to 69s. And I bought all 15 and 3 Chevelles. And it took me 2 months hauling them back. I had to take and stack them on top of each other almost, some of them, to get them back.
Now did...
and I've just dwindled down, sold them off. We had intentions of fixing them, but you know, life changes.
Now, did this guy help you? I'm Parker.
Yeah, that's my son, Tanner.
Nice to meet you, Tanner. Cool. Well, what I'd like to do here, Mike, is kind of just go through the cars and see exactly what maybe they are. Do you know what they are at all or anything?
I don't really know how to read the codes and stuff on them.
Okay. We'll start with this one right here.
You want us to set that hood off for you, Parker?
Oh, okay. There's no hinges. Yeah, that's fine. We'll just, yep.
Yeah.
Anywhere's fine, really.
Yeah, we'll just lay it down here.
Yes, we'll take a look. Yes, this says 6969. So this was originally a Cortez silver car, and I think that says 718. Did this car have red interior in it? Yep.
Yeah, it had
you can
red.
see right here, it's got the red, and then.
Yeah, there's one of the old pillars out of it.
Wow, that's pretty cool color combination. Silver,
it is.
Silver with the red, huh?
That's different, yeah.
And then, of course, it's an X11, and I can't really see what that number says right there. We'll have to kind of brush that off and look at that later on. But one of the things I'm noticing when I look in this car is it has a dual fuel line on it.
Uh-huh.
Which would have been right for basically a super sport car or an LM1.
Do we need to open the trunk lid for
it?
Or
no, we'll take a look.
I don't know where it's located at.
What I'm trying to figure out, if it is a LM1 car, you can see the doubler plate peeking through back there. So maybe, do you know what rear end is underneath this?
A 10 bolt.
A 10 bolt?
Yeah, it's a 10 bolt.
What is this one?
I think it's another standard car as well.
Okay, do you mind if we move this?
Yeah, let me get my son to grab that in there for you, Parker.
Yep, so I see this one says 59. This one's also an X11. I can't tell what that says, but it looks like it might have had maybe a parchment vinyl top on it. And I think that says 723. So this would be a rally green car with basically a medium green interior is what I'm seeing here.
Yeah.
And so when I say rally green, you can see it in the door.
On the door jamb there.
You can see the color of it back there on the door. You could also see that it was hit.
Yeah, it's been hit in
an accident as well.
Hitting the rocker panel there.
What was your plans with these?
Well, I was just going to make drivers.
Make it drivers?
Yeah, make them drivers.
I mean, they're a little bit rough, but I mean, what most people don't understand about these cars is that you're going to cut all the floors out anyway.
Oh, yeah.
You're going to cut the quarters off anyway.
Yeah,
it doesn't
put top
matter.
skins on all.
Yeah, I mean, we just did one and replaced everything on it.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, the aftermarket stuff, it's relatively cheap. It's not really expensive.
I want to take a look and see what the rear ends are on this car.
Yeah, I think it's a 10 bolt as well.
Yeah, it's a 10-bolt multi-leaf suspension. Yep. Does this trunk open at all?
Yeah, I got a screwdriver here.
This one opens.
Parker.
This one opens,
Yeah,
okay.
well, that one's open.
Yeah, we can see that.
Yeah, the
obviously
trunk
it needs
pan
a
definitely
trunk.
gonna have to be replaced.
But up in there where the shock towers are, that doesn't look too bad.
No, and the frame rails underneath are good.
Yeah. Go take a
Yeah,
peek
the
at
frame
those.
rails are good. The
Even
rockers,
around the lip right here, doesn't seem too horrible.
No,
You know,
no,
you have
not for a lot of them.
you have
know.
stuff to weld to.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
know what I mean?
Exactly.
To a lot of people, these cars look probably like
Yeah.
junk.
Yeah, but
You know.
if you know how to do it, you're going to be doing some welding and fabricating on
What about
them.
this one right here? Oh, we need the screwdriver for this one.
Might need the screwdriver for.
Oh, this one's got a little bit more of a floor
A
in
little
it.
bit more of a trunk pan, but
Good
still
up in
probably
there.
going to need replaced. But
Really good up in there. See, what people don't realize is these are unibody cars.
yeah, yeah,
You know what I
yeah,
mean?
yeah.
With 4 bolts.
4 bolts, you take the whole front
whole
clip,
front-
the,
the whole
motor, all of it out at one whack.
Exactly. Well, basically, you're at about $6,200 for both of these cars. Is that right?
Yeah, yeah, buy them both, yeah.
Okay. Well, we'll just do that.
Okay,
How's that sound?
that'll work. That'd be great.
We'll go ahead, and I think my camera guy's got the money here.
That'd be great.
I sent you a deposit, and
Yeah.
this should be the remaining balance.
Okay.
And what I want to do is, I think we're going to have my guy with the trailer pull up the hill here
Okay.
and have him kind of get ready to load them up.
Okay.
But while he's doing that, do you want to go take a look at some of the other stuff that you
Yeah.
have and maybe offer it for sale on camera?
That'd be great.
Cool.
That'd be great.
Let's do that.
Oh,
Heath, what's going on, buddy?
what's happening, Parker?
How was your drive?
Hey, it wasn't but an hour and a half. That ain't too bad.
There you go. Some of you guys might recognize Heath. Heath lives down here in Tennessee. We've had a couple videos in the past together, and I figured he'd be the right man to take these home for me.
That's right. You got the gall to call. I got the gall to haul.
Let's go ahead and take a look at these things and get a plan of action here, and then we'll go over with Mike and take a look at the rest of the cars he has for sale. Heath, we have a lot of parts here. We'll probably just end up taking these fenders off and stuff and just kind of stuffing them all inside the car.
Okay.
And then you just hitting the winch and lining the wheels up and just yanking them up on there. What do you think?
It'll be fine with me.
We'll just take them one at a time back to your place, let them sit until I'll get them moved up to Pennsylvania. How does that sound?
That'll work.
Cool. While he's doing that, Mike, you said that you had some other cars here for sale. Why don't we start with this one
Okay.
back here?
Okay.
Talk to me a little bit about this one. You're asking how much for this car?
28,000.
28,000?
Yeah, it's a 68. It's an older restoration. It's been done about 30 years.
Oh, I could have
it's got
fooled me. It looks pretty
But
good.
it's not a numbers matching car. It's got a 76 Camaro engine and transmission in it. It hadn't had a lot of road miles on it.
What kind of rear end's underneath here?
It's a 10 bolt.
It's a 10 bolt?
Yeah, them slip 10 bolt.
Now,
But it's a good driver car, you know.
yeah, I see it has a little
It's
bit
got
of dings.
it's got some wear and tear on it.
I
you know
like
what I'm
cars
saying.
like that, though.
Yeah, it's not a trailer queen, but you know,
Is it
myself, I want one to drive.
Is it open here? We can show the audience?
Yeah,
Man,
yeah.
these
It's
seats
got
look like-
69 seats
I was
in
going to
it.
say, they've been redone.
Yeah, I couldn't find seats. My upholstery man had a set of 69s that nobody picked up, and I got lucky. You know what I mean? He says, and then after I bought them, the next week the guy wanted them. And he'd sit on them for months.
No
But let
problem
me
there.
start it up here for
Oh,
you.
it does
where
run.
you-
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Not too bad, Mike.
Yeah, it's good running a little old car. Good running a little old car.
And for the audience again, how much are you asking for this?
28,000.
28,000?
Yeah.
And then this 67
Yeah,
over
I've got
here.
this old rough 67. I mean, it's still a buildable car.
What do you
I do
ask?
have the rear end for it. I'm thinking like $2,500.
Title to it? No title to
No
it?
title to it. VIN numbers are here.
VIN numbers are here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
No tag on it or anything?
No, but it's the VIN's in the door.
And this one doesn't have a rear end under it or anything?
No, it don't have it. It's sitting over here. I do have the rear end for it. I probably got an extra rear end for this one. This is just, you know, this one's been hit hard in the quarter over here on the other side.
On the other side?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll take a look at it. Has it got numbers on it?
It's got numbers on it. It's got the VIN numbers on it.
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah,
So
it'd have to have a full quarter. You know, it's fixable, but.
You must have got all of these out of the junkyard because they were hit and then put in the junkyard.
Yeah. I think that's what they run, was an old salvage yard, you know, from way back.
Okay.
Like I said, I ended up with the 3 Chevelles and 15 of these things. And,
well, why don't we go ahead, and you said you also have a Chevelle for sale as well, is that right?
Yeah, I've got it, and then I've got a 57 step side pickup here with a LS6 in it. It's a 61,000 mile motor.
243 heads at all or anything, or no? Or
I'm not really sure on that.
Okay.
It's the motor's out of a late model Denali. It's got Denali seats. It's got the 4L60, brand new transmission. The bed needs some work.
Here, I'll take a look up here, show them.
You know, I've got everything for it except for the wood inserts in the bed and the glass. I don't have any of the glass, but about 18,000.
About 18,000?
Yeah.
And what rear end is under this?
It's got the Big 10.
Gotcha. Okay.
You know, the Chevy Big 10. And like I said, I've got all the 4-link set up and stuff to go in it.
Nice little starter project
Yeah,
for somebody.
yeah, it'd be a good, it's a good solid truck. I mean, there's really no rust in it. And then I've got that A model over here if you want to catch it.
Yeah, let's talk about that. Let's go over, which one's first?
The A model.
Okay.
Probably. It's just right across the street here. It's got base coat clear on it.
There
It's
it
been
is.
painted panel. It's dismantled.
Yeah.
The original drivetrain's right over here in this lean-to beside us with a rebuilt motor. The original stuff's all ready to go. You could put it back original, or I do have a street rod frame ready to go for it too.
What's the price on something like this with all the
About
fenders?
about 8,000 for everything I got.
About 8,000?
Yeah, and I've got all kinds of extra A model stuff.
And the Roadster's pretty cool.
I've got 2 or 3 engines, 2 or 3 transmissions for the original A model stuff. I don't have the drivetrain for the street rod part of it if you wanted to street rod it.
Usually I find them and they're all rusty and stuff.
Yeah, that's a solid.
This one don't look that bad.
It came out of Texas.
Came out of Texas.
Yeah, it came out of Texas. My dad had this thing, and he passed away in '03. And I think about 10 years ago we painted it. You know, and
well, you wouldn't have painted it if it was all rusty.
No, it was a solid, straight old car, and it's held up good. I just one of them projects, you know, you never live long enough.
Well, let's go see what this Chevelle looks like. How does that sound?
That sounds great.
Well, dang, Mike. You got more Camaros, huh?
Back again.
You don't got any more 69 Gem tell me about, right?
Yeah, well, this one, belongs to a family of a guy that used to work for me, and he passed away recently of cancer. And before he died, we'd bought it with intentions of helping him fix it up and everything with the family, but it was a car I got off a high-end builder out of West Virginia, and he cut the VIN plates out of it. He needed the VIN plates for a car he was restoring. So.
Yeah, I see them right here.
Yeah,
he cut them all out.
Yeah.
You know what this was originally?
I think it was just a standard Camaro. I'm not really sure.
AC car.
Looks like it has disc brakes.
Single fuel line.
Yeah, I don't know. We can.
So this one is not for sale. Oh, we'll get the hood. No, it's latched.
Stuck.
Yeah, it's latched.
Yeah, I don't think it's got the cow tag or nothing on it.
No, it don't. It don't have it on there, no.
But yeah, it's an AC car.
Is there 12 volt under it?
No, it's 10 volt
It's
rear
10 volt?
end.
Okay. All right. I see that it was maroon, which is an extremely rare color for these cars.
Yeah.
Maroon with
vinyl top.
Yeah, probably a black vinyl top, maybe a white vinyl top.
Yeah, maybe I had a white one.
Well, dang, that's pretty cool, man. If you ever want to get rid of this, let me know.
I'll keep you in mind. I called them and asked them and told them they're supposed to be getting it out of here pretty soon.
All right. Well, talk to me about this 69 Chevelle right here.
Yeah,
What's going on with this?
Got this 69 Super Sport Chevelle.
Okay.
It's not original drivetrain. It's got a 350 turbo transmission. Got a 350 engine in it.
And
It was running about 2 years ago.
Oh, it was running.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's got a 12-bolt posi rear end, original rear end in it. It needs the quarters put in. This one's cut out, the inner quarter, you know, inner tub, and all that needs to be repaired. The floor pans are good in it.
Do you mind if we open up the hood?
Trunk pan's good in it. Yeah, we can lift it off here. But I've basically got just about everything to do it. I've even got new door panels, new headliner.
Oh, it just lifts off?
Yeah.
Okay. Get him a shot of, oh man, that looks nice in there.
Yeah,
huh?
yeah. It's a good car, good starter car. You know, good solid car.
Got her all covered up here. That's good.
Yeah, yeah. You want to keep them dry.
Yeah. Nice little 350 down in here or something.
Yeah. Yeah, disc brakes.
What are you asking for something like this, Mike?
I mean, I'm thinking about 6,000.
About 6,000
Yeah.
for this? We'll get him a shot on the inside here.
Yeah. I mean, the floor pans are pretty good. It's got a place or two, you know, but
See
that's
them circle
that's
gauges?
average.
Circle gauges for the Super Sport, right?
Yeah, I do, and I do have a set of bucket seats for it as well.
Was it a
But
bucket
they
seat?
need to be upholstered.
Was it a bucket seat car originally?
Yes, I think so.
Okay.
Yeah, but them old bench seats are hard to find.
Yeah. 4-speed or automatic, you said?
Automatic.
Automatic.
Yeah, it's automatic.
Well,
Yeah.
6,000 for this. We'll help you put all the stuff back on it here in just a second, but you also said that you'd like to sell this piece over here. Is this right?
Yeah, it's a 65.
Man, look at that.
It's got the power tilt bed. It don't slide back, but it tilts.
Okay.
So I used some like ramps and used it as a car hauler.
Man, this thing's got a
But,
look to it, huh?
Yeah, it's got good patina to it, you know.
Runs and drives, starts up,
Yeah,
goes down the
yeah,
road.
runs like a top. I mean, on the highway, whatever. Yeah, it's got a built 454 in
Yeah,
it.
it does have a big block down in there, doesn't it?
Yeah, yeah, it's a big block truck.
That is
power brakes.
If I was to buy this, I'd probably put a new bed on the back of it
Yeah.
and just leave it just the way it is.
Well, I was going to extend the head ramp up and,
Okay.
and dovetail the back.
Oh, well, that would work too.
So
You
when
could
you
just drive
tilted
up.
it down, you just drive up on it.
Let's see if we
And
can
then
open
it's got the big winch on it.
What does it look like inside here? Not too bad.
No, interior is not bad in it. The rocker's bad, right? Or the rocker panel's bad right here, and I do have a new one.
Needs some love down here.
I've got a new rocker to go in it.
Honest. You're an honest
Yeah,
guy, Mike.
yeah.
I like
I
that.
try to be straight up with anything
Yep.
I sell.
Yep,
you know,
yep. That's the best way to be.
I'm a man of my word. You know what I mean? I mean that's the only way to be. A lot of people don't do that anymore, but I do. You know, even on my sale cars, whatever. You know.
Well, cool. If they're interested in any of these cars, can we put your phone number in the description below? I think
Please do. Yeah.
You actually handed me a card.
Yeah.
His phone number is right here, and there's his address and everything for you guys that are interested. Mike,
Yeah.
I just want to say
Yeah, I
thank you
appreciate
for
your time.
selling me those Camaros.
Yeah, I
And,
appreciate you, and I appreciate your time on this stuff. I can use all the help I can get. You know.
I
Just
appreciate
an old
you. Thank you.
Just a good old country boy ready to make a dollar, you know.
Well, we
about
left Heath back there working on trying to get some of them cars on
Yeah,
the trailer.
he's
and
got his work cut out for him.
We got to go help him load up those things.
Well,
and
yeah.
We got a little bit of a day ahead of us.
I
so.
bet you do, yeah.
If you guys found value in this video, go ahead and give us a subscribe to the channel or a like, whatever you want to do. Of course, we do have these t-shirts for sale. You're more than welcome to hit the link in the description below. Again, Mike, I just want
Yeah,
to say
you're an
thank
excellent
you.
guy. You've been a pleasure doing business with you.
Well, thank you.
I mean, I think you're a stand-up guy. Yeah.
You guys have a great day.
Thank you.